Welcome to the brand new series on Authentication and Authorization with Access and Refresh Token. In this complete tutorial, we'll be building production-grade login and logout system using modern tools and tech stacks. We'll also be building protected pages where only logged-in users will be allowed. We'll also be implementing role-based access control for some pages like dashboard where only admins will be allowed. So let's quickly register as a user first and then log in. And as you can see, now we can access this protected page. And in the response of login API, we'll get access and refresh token and also role of the user. And if a user try to access dashboard, he or she cannot access this page because only admins will be allowed to access this page. So let's register as admin first of all. And let's log in. And if you go now, you can access this page. And when logging out, the user will be redirected to the login page. And talking about tech stack, we'll be using Fit for setting our React app. We have Chakra UI for our UI. We have React Router for routing. We have React Hook Form for form handling and validation. We have React Query and Actions for data fetching. And we have Justend for step management. And if you get stuck or if you have any queries, you can directly comment in the comment section and I'll get you back. And I'll see you in the next chapter where we'll start setting our project.